Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Anton 26, and what we got today is another tech video about Android phones, and to be more specific about the Samsung Galaxy S8. Now let's pretend that you have locked up your mobile phone and you don't have any access into it. Or let's pretend that you have forgot your password and you can't have access either. So the one and only solution that remains is the solution of hard resetting. Now what we need in order to have a successful hard resetting in our mobile phone. If you check your mobile from the left side, you can see the volume up and volume down button. Another button, call it the Pixie button. Now if you check your mobile from the right side, you can discover the power up button. Now what you're going to need in order to have a successful hard resetting is a combination of those three buttons. So you have to press at the same time the volume up, the Pixie button and the power up button. So let's make a try and see how it works. But before that, try to remember that you must have shutting down your mobile phone. So let's get started. Volume up, Pixie button and power up button. The same time. And we let it go. The procedure has already started. Here says there's no order. And the only thing we have to do is just waiting. And now, like you can see, we are at the recovery menu, and it has multiple options like reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, and many more. Now what we're going to need is the option number 5 in our list, which is this one. Says wipe data factory reset. So we're going to need the volume down button in order to guide at the right direction. So we press 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are directly at the wipe data and factory reset option. Now if we read more carefully, it says if your phone is reset, you may need to enter the Google account information, mail address and password, which is associated with this phone to be able to use it again. So let's hard resetting. The hard reset will start after we press the power button. So we press once right here. The procedure will ask one more time if we are sure about what we go to do. We choose yes. And we hit the power button for last time. And the hard reset has already done. Now we press one more time for reboot system. Now we hit the power button. And we finished. We just wait for the rebooting. Like you can see, we have finished our hard reset. That was our tech video for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech videos like this, and of course share it with your friends that may be gonna need a solution like this. It was Anton for Anton 26. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Until then, take care.